How to write 0.5375 as a fraction in simplest form? We need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal, write the number you are getting, and for denominator, for each digit after decimal you have to consider 10. 4 digit, so write 410 as a multiplication. Okay, now we need to reduce this fraction or simplify this fraction. How to do that? To simplify this fraction, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. Of course, if we want to simplify it in one step, but if you want to simplify this fraction in multiple steps, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This number has 5 at the last, so this is divisible by 5. This number has 0 at the last, so this is divisible by 5. I will get 2 here, and what I'll get here, 5 goes into this number how many times? Look at here, 5 goes into 5, 1 times 5, 5, subtract, bring down this 3, 5 goes into 3 how many times? 0 times, that's 5, 0, subtract 3, bring down another, 5 goes into 37 how many times? 7 times, 7 times 5, 35, subtract, you are getting to bring down this, 5 goes into 25 5 times, so we are getting 1075. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, I'll get 2 here, and what I'll get, look, 5 goes into 10 2 times, 2 times 5 10, then bring down this 7, 5 goes into 7 1 times, subtract 2, 25 5, 215. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, I will get 2, and I'll 5 goes into 21 4 times, 4 times 5 23. Look here, so 43 divided 2 times 2 times 4, 4 times 2 8 times 10, so 43 divided by 8 times 1 8 at 0. 43 is a prime number, it has only two factor, 1 and 43. You will not get any two number between 1 and 43 that produce, if you multiply, that produce 43. So this is a prime number. If you get one prime number either in numerator or denominator, you are done.